In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own live tournaments on chess.com. Creating your own live tournament is a great way to bring players together, host friendly competition, and enjoy a more organized chess experience. Whether you're planning an event for friends, club members, or fellow chess enthusiasts, chess.com provides built-in tools that make the process simple and accessible. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps required to set up your very own live tournament. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the chess.com website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in to your account. If you're not already logged in, locate the Login option and access your account using your preferred sign-in method. After completing the login process, you'll be ready to access the tournament creation tools available on the platform. Once you're signed in, move your cursor to the left side of the screen and locate the Play section. Hover over this area to reveal additional options related to games and online play. When the menu appears, select Play to continue. This will open the game area, where you'll find several options related to matches and events. From here, look for the Tournament section and click on it. This area contains both active tournaments and the tools needed to organize your own event. After entering the Tournament section, you'll notice an option labeled Create, usually represented by a plus symbol. Select this option to begin building your tournament. Chess.com offers different tournament formats, giving you the flexibility to choose the type of event that best matches your goals. Take a moment to review the available tournament options and select the format that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, you'll be prompted to provide a name for your tournament. Enter a title that clearly identifies the event and helps participants recognize it. As you continue through the setup process, you'll also have the opportunity to determine whether the games in your tournament will be rated or unrated. Consider which option is most appropriate for your event before making your selection. You'll also be presented with additional tournament settings. Depending on your preferences, you can review the available options and adjust details such as time controls and the number of rounds. These settings help shape the overall experience for participants and ensure the tournament operates according to your vision. Once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with the configuration, click the Create button to finalize your tournament. And that's it. Your live tournament is now ready on chess.com. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.